Today, we're diving into an intense kettlebell workout designed specifically for men. Kettlebells are an incredibly versatile tool for building strength, power, and endurance, making them a must-have in any guy's fitness routine. So, grab your kettlebell. Warm up. Before we jump into the heavy lifting, it's crucial to prep our bodies with a proper warm-up. Start by swinging your arms, loosening up those shoulders, and then move into some hip circles to activate those glutes and hips. Remember, warming up properly can help prevent injuries and improve your performance. Basic kettlebell movements. Now let's break down some fundamental kettlebell movements. We'll start with the kettlebell swing, a full-body exercise that targets your posterior chain. Remember to hinge at the hips, engage your core, and powerfully thrust your hips forward to drive the kettlebell up. Next up, we have the goblet squat, which is fantastic for building lower body strength and mobility. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest, squat down with proper form, and then drive through your heels to stand up tall. Now let's tackle the Turkish get-up, a challenging yet rewarding exercise that works your entire body, focusing on stability and coordination. Take it slow, maintain control throughout the movement, and feel the burn. Advanced kettlebell exercises. For those looking to take their kettlebell game to the next level, we've got you covered. Try incorporating exercises like the kettlebell clean and press, the kettlebell snatch, and the kettlebell windmill into your routine for an extra challenge and greater gains. Remember, quality over quantity is key here. Focus on maintaining proper form and control throughout each repetition to maximize results and minimize the risk of injury. Cool down and stretching. As we wrap up this intense kettlebell session, it's essential to give our muscles the attention they deserve with a proper cool down. Let's take some time to stretch out those tight muscles, focusing on areas like the hamstrings, quads, and shoulders. Additional tips. 1. Start light, focus on form. When incorporating kettlebell exercises into your routine, it's crucial to begin with lighter weights to master the proper form and technique. Proper form not only ensures safety but also maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise. Take the time to learn the correct movement patterns, paying attention to your body alignment and posture throughout each repetition. As you become more comfortable and confident, gradually increase the weight to challenge yourself further. 2. Mind-muscle connection. One key aspect of kettlebell training is developing a strong mind-muscle connection. Concentrate on engaging the targeted muscles throughout each exercise, rather than simply going through the motions. Visualize the muscles at work and focus on contracting them with intention. This heightened awareness not only enhances muscle recruitment, but also reduces the risk of injury by ensuring proper muscle activation and control. 3. Consistency and progression. Like any fitness endeavor, consistency is key when it comes to kettlebell training. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly, whether it's a dedicated kettlebell workout or integrating them into your existing regimen. Track your progress over time by monitoring increases in weight, repetitions, or improvements in form and technique. By consistently challenging yourself and progressively overloading your muscles, you'll continue to see gains in strength, endurance, and overall fitness levels. By implementing these additional tips alongside the showcased kettlebell exercises, you'll set yourself up for success on your fitness journey. Remember to listen to your body, prioritize proper form, and stay committed to your goals. With dedication and perseverance, you'll undoubtedly reap the benefits of kettlebell training and achieve the results you desire. And there you have it, a killer kettlebell workout tailored specifically for men. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, incorporating these exercises into your routine will help you build strength, power, and overall fitness. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing yourself to new heights.